Buddy, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to write a review on TripAdvisor. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official tripadvisor.com website right here and log into your account. If you do not have an account, guys, you can go ahead and create an account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see all of the options that you can access on the site. Here you can see objects that you want to see. You can scroll down and see everything the site has to offer. But yeah, guys, let's say that you want to write a review for a restaurant or something similar. It's very easy to do, guys. All you have to do is go right here into the upper right corner of the screen called review, find this option right here and click on it. Click on review, guys. Now this will take you to this page where you can type in what you would like to review. So I'm going to just go ahead and type in restaurant to see what they offer me. Let's say you found the restaurant that you want to review right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the restaurant that we want to review. And after clicking on the restaurant, guys, this will take you to this new page where you can fill out all the info that you want to leave in the review. You can rate your experience right here. You can select when did you go, you can select the date when you go, who did you go, and etc. You can type in anything that you want as long as it is true, because the site doesn't allow false reviews and will probably ban you. But yeah, guys, here you can write your review, type in anything that you want, title your review, so on so on. You can even add a picture if you want. And after you're finished, guys, scroll down all the way down and click on submit review right here, and then you'll successfully submit the review for the restaurant or the place that you want. So yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.